Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Anwar bin Jaafar. I'm as a team leader with my teammate Muhammad Ilmi bin Kirul Amir and Amir Nur Rizwan bin Ahmad Rizwan. We are under our supervisor Puan Azizah binti Tukiman. We delight to present our final year project product is Intelligent Counter of Traffic Flow, I-coft. As we can see in the first slide, it is the introduction of our final year project. The introduction of traffic flow theory is important in planning, design and operation system in highway. Traffic can be defined as a total number of vehicles passing one of the part of the road. This is using to calculate the number of vehicles, and our product is the innovation from the product they have studied before. The next slide is I will show you our problem statement in our final year project. They have three problem statement that we have. The first one is students still use manual method. The second one is manual method give the higher error in calculation. The third problem statement is using the manual method need a stationery such as calculator and others. This makes difficult for students to bring their stationery while working. The next slide show us about our objective. They have three objectives that we have to target in our final year project. The first one is to design and produce intelligent counter of traffic flow, I-coft. The second one is to determine the volume of traffic flow, and the level of T intersection in Lukut Port Dickson. And the third one to measure the effectiveness of using intelligent counter of traffic flow. The next slide showing us about our scope study. They have four examples of our scope study. The first one is this product is innovation is designed for use in highway and traffic engineering lab. The second one is the resulting product will be tested at T intersection in Lukut Port Dickson. The third one, this study only focus to calculate the number of the vehicle. And then last one, this product is made for purpose of traffic engineering and volume traffic engineering study. The importance of research. They have four reasons why we do, and this is the importance of our final year project product. The first one is to making easy for user to do traffic study. The second one is product manufacture according technology distribution. And number three, to avoid the mistake while doing the calculating. And the number four, for user in polytechnic like the student and lecturer in traffic to do traffic study. So that's all from me, and my friend will continue our presentation, and I pass it up to Muhammad Ilmi bin Kirul Amir to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today I will talk about the chapter 2. Chapter 2 is the literature review. Okay, so before I start, let me introduce about myself. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ilmi bin Kirul Amir. Matrix number 06DKA1AF1044. Okay, this chapter 2 has a many part. Okay, the first one is theory of traffic flow. Okay, traffic volume study are conducted to determine the number, movement and classification of road vehicle at a given location. Okay, this data can help identify critical flow times, determine the impact of large vehicle or pedestrian on traffic flow or traffic volume trend documents. Next, traffic flow can be classified as the total number of vehicle on one side of the road, while total traffic is defined as the number of vehicle passing a point along the road within the time specified in the wholly vehicle. The next slide talk about the type of traffic flow. Okay, type of the traffic flow have two type. Okay, the first one, this is called uninterpreted flow, and the second one is called interpreted flow. Okay, the first one is uninterpreted flow. It is regulated by the interactions between the vehicle and the road. Okay, for the example, the vehicle passing through interstate highway participate in uninterpreted flow. Okay, this flow we can look at the highway. Okay, in Malaysia we have many highway. Okay, for the example, it is Plus Highway, Duke Highway, and KVE and LPT. Okay, the next one is interpreted flow. Okay, the interpreted flow is the flow regulated by an external, such as traffic signal. Okay, this flow we can look at the road that have the traffic light. Okay, next, the third slide talk about the type of contaminated. Okay, type of contaminated have a two type. Okay, have a two type, right? This. Okay, the first type is the manual method, and the second one is automatic contaminated. Okay, the manual method like tally sheet. Okay, the tally sheet like we have one paper, and at the paper have a table, and we just tick the vehicle across the road. Okay, next we have a counter JKR box. Okay, the JKR box, mechanical counting box, and electronic counting box. Okay, it is so this is the manual method. Okay, we go to the automatic counting method. Okay, in the automatic counting method, we have a portable counter, permanent counter, video tape, and traffic count camera. Okay, next, the next slide talk about the previous research. Okay, the previous research is the research that we found from journal, article, and internet, and so on. Okay, so the first journal name is cadangan reka bentuk persimpangan utama Politeknik Kota Kinabalu Sabah. Okay, this is written by Rusdi bin Rusli. Okay, this published at year 2014. Okay, and the next one is smart volume counter. Smart volume counter of traffic flow. Okay, this is the final year project, our senior FRP project. Okay, this is written by Khairuddin, Faizal, Yap, Noaim, and Maiden Azizah Tukiman. Okay, this is published at year 2015. Next, the third journal is named pengesahan lalu lintas dengan kaedah pemerosetan imej. Okay, from journal Kejuruteraan UKM. Okay, this is written by Riza Atik, Kasmiran, and Azmi Hassan. Okay, this is published at year 2001. Okay, the next one is pemantauan hubungan laju, aliran lalu lintas dan lalu lintas jalan arteri. Okay, this is from journal Kejuruteraan UKM also. Okay, this is written by Ahmad Nakib, Wan Hashim, and Ahmad Fahan. Okay, this is published at year 2006. Okay, the next one is kajian isipadu lalu lintas di persimpangan masuk Politeknik Polisen. Okay, this is written by Nuda Ismail and Suhana Sana Tora. Okay, this is published at year 2006. Next, okay, the next one we have journal traffic volume and level of traffic of Punjab. Okay, this journal is from engineering research and application. Okay, this journal is written by Ramesh Wahanat Singh, and this journal is published at year 2015. Okay, the last one is we have the journal kajian lalu lintas di Bandar Kuching. Okay, this is written by Din Sohok. Okay, this journal is published at 2006. Okay, so that's all the journal and article that we found. Okay, the journal and article help us so many to give us more inspirations, ideas to make a good quality products more efficient and useful to all people. Okay, that's all for me. Okay, we continue the another chapter with my friend Amir.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Rizwan. So nama DKA 18F143. I will present about methodology. First, we need to plan and decide our project. My project is I-coft, Intelligent Counter of Traffic Flow. And second, we do a research literature. And third, we send our design proposal to supervisor. If supervisor disagree, we must go back to plan and decide our title project. And if our supervisor agree, we must do sketch in 3D our project and do it. And next, we do a research case in highway using our product and do the demonstration and give question to lecturer, student and employee JKR. Then we must do analysis using the data and do process discussion and conclusion. The end. Okay, next. Procedure modeling work. Objective 1. First, to design and produce the intelligent counter of traffic flow, I-coft. And then, first, we sketch and 3D modeling. Second, prepare and component involved in I-coft. Third, install the electronic part. And last, making a finishing work for product. Can. Next, 3D design modeling. First, sketching. We sketching our product with our design. And front view. Front view, we see a 6 button at the right side, which is motorcycle, car, van, small van, big van, and bus. And next, square shape is reset the data, and triangle up and down is for change the digit of I-coft. And next, triangle for the left side is for play and pause. Okay, square black is for system solar, and 2 button at the left for change the intersection. Next, screen view. At the screen view, we see the how to save the data and transfer data. At the screen view also, we see a motorcycle, car, van, small lorry, big lorry, and bus for counter digit. Okay, next, top view. At the top view, we see a button or off to on the I-coft. And then bottom view, we see the micro USB and USB charge. Micro USB for charging and USB for transfer data. And the third is component for product. Okay, then methodology to achieve objective 2, to determine the volume of traffic flow and the level of T intersection at low conditions. First, decide area intersection. Second, ready equipment for intersection. Third, plan resource and how to collect the data. 4. See the record of vehicle and save data in system and transfer data. 5. Do analysis data. And 6. Discuss and conclusion. Okay, next. Methodology to achieve objective 3. To measure the effectiveness of using intelligent counter of traffic flow, I-coft. Question A. Section A is respondent background information. Section B, fitness product and level of consumer satisfaction. And section C is views and improvement. First, do the list of questions. Second, do demonstration. Third, give question to student, lecturer and JKR. And 4, record data and analyze data our product. Thank you. Okay, lastly is conclusion and expected result. Our conclusion is hopefully intelligent counter of traffic flow, I-coft, can be successful product and it can be used to calculate the transfer volume easily. Second, expected result. Our expected result is this product can be used effectiveness and can be used for student in lab highway, polytechnic audition, for traffic study and can be used suggested to JKR as instrument to calculate the traffic volume. Okay, that's all of me. Thank you. Bye.